Hey everyone, here's my review of this FiTSTILL hard shell travel case. It has a convenient handle up top and it has a zipper that goes all the way around. And you can see it's very durable. Inside it has a lot of compartments for all your camera gear. And even over here there's even more space. I like how it has this mesh compartment at the back. You can easily store cables or other accessories. And this little fastener over here prevents it from opening accidentally. And here you got a few pockets and a big area here for all your camera gear. I've been using this for a while and I'm very satisfied with it. I put this in my backpack and I'm confident that it won't crush anything. I would definitely recommend this product. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.